So Q as in CUE, not QUE.
Yeah.
What are the cues? Let's see what are the cues. I can see some jumble of
So I think the picture is
some
not very clear.
film
It's, yeah, some film set is there.
film set. Yeah, some film set with lights and the clapboard and
Director's chair.
directors. Yeah.
So I think some magic will happen in our lives, like
Let's
movie
see.
of life.
Let's see what is the
Dra-
cue today.
Yes.
dramatic change will be there, I think, in the
Yeah. Very nice
Life is
approach.
playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Flora Kahlo, writer and therapist. Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life, because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It people, circumstances, and events that surround you in the day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for the perfect health that you have. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's the magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for that, for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. If you happen to see one of your material desires on the list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, computer, or of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you are being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. If you overhear another person saying thank you somewhere, anywhere, at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. There are unlimited and creative ways in which the universe has to magically cue you to be grateful in your day-to-day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong, because whatever you think a cue is for you, you are right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically cue you, and so you can attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment. Cue the Magic has become a daily game I play, and the practice, I now automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me, to set the magic of gratitude into motion. When I receive a phone call from a friend or a family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live and for another beautiful day. If an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM, or I see people in queue in line at the ATM, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mine. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say thank you for my perfect. You can never do too much gratitude. So you can choose to do more. And if you want, Sureka, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm saying that right. Thank you for my perfect weight. So you can choose to do more, and if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you have been following the daily magical practice over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many beautiful benefits of the gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and it makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more alert, grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So, universe, cue the magic. Magical practice number 25. Cue the magic. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you. And feel as grateful for the blessings as you can. Today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, thank you for my perfect weight. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So she's also worried about the weight. Huh?
Yeah, today a lot of weight thing is happening. Thank you so much for reading. I think it's a very beautiful chapter. So, one thing I was thinking is that the author is saying, okay, say thank you for the wait. But what is the basic human nature? We feel jealous. If we see somebody, I mean, we want to achieve certain thing the other person already has.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people who
Yeah. That's
that's
true.
the first
true.
reaction.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the whole mental conditioning has to be changed to get into the practice to get into the alignment of this chapter that you have to figure out. So one I think I just discovered from my day as of today. So I was listening to songs and बीच में एकदम से गरबा का song आ गया. And I could have got irritated. ये क्या है बीच में I'm listening to English songs. गरबा कहाँ से आ गया? Definitely YouTube has algorithm and that's how पहले सुना है. So then I recalled that I always wanted to learn Garba. 2 years back I joined Garba classes but I left it because of some reason. Last year I thought चलो कल से वो कल आया ही नहीं. And this time I'm sitting in Delhi. So let's see. So I've got the cue that okay, if I want to, then I should figure out how to do it. So I think small cues are there in the life. So we just need to pick up how to identify.
Yeah.
So anybody
Absolutely.
wants to add something, add an experience related to Magic Cube. The practice is pretty simple. You have to be aware and identify at least 7 cues, because in our day we have a lot of cues and we turn them into jealousy. That I can figure out from my day. कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं वैसा क्यों नहीं. So I think we need to figure out, just see the positive side of whatever is coming our way, which is not that easy, but I'm sure it is achievable.
Yeah.
Vidyanti, you want to say something?
Yes,
New
Kruti, you
dimension.
can tell me.
Yes, yes. So Rekhant is also saying something.
This is a new dimension that we are thinking that when we see others in a good shape or condition, then we think that we are in that same condition. So now we will start practicing that.
Yeah, I have already started.
Yes, yes, I got your thank you.
Very nice. Very important, I think.
Hmm.
The simple thing, I think we just figure out if somebody has a better job, we'll say thank you, not feel jealous. And
Very
lucky,
rarely that happens. Very rarely that happens.
natural tendencies.
साला उसको कैसे मिला
उसको कैसे
मुझे क्यों
मिला?
नहीं मिला?
So it's in every domain or dimension of life. I think if somebody is getting a promotion, you are not getting a job or business clients.
Yeah.
You know, सामने वाले स्टोर पे क्यों इतने कस्टमर्स है, मेरे यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं है? उसके पे पूरा दिन काम चल रहा है. अच्छा दूसरे वाले के नहीं है, ठीक है, we are better. That keeps on happening, you know. That's
Yeah, but
best.
during this lockdown, I was personally very grateful that for my company at least the employees I could take care of them and nothing changed for them. No reduction in the salary. In fact, whatever their performance based improvements in their salary also we could give.
But this is a rare case. No? In other
Yeah,
cases,
that's why I'm saying
yes,
I'm so grateful that we could do
yes,
that
yes.
for our employees basically.
Because so many companies, people, they are
Yeah,
very
so because there was so much of
salary.
news, negative news
Yes.
around, and so we could,
Yes,
and my employees were also grateful, definitely, that we could
yes,
manage that field.
really.
I mean, we could have easily taken shelter under the guise that, okay, everybody is struggling, so
Everybody is doing.
at least we should not give any rise.
Yes.
No raise should be given to the employees, but no, we gave performance-based raise also.
The management is very good, I think, of your company.
I can take my
Okay, we are not jealous. We are saying thank you.
yeah.
Small things are there. Like yesterday I got my salary slip of month of April. Salary I already got and eaten, but salary slip came yesterday and my quick reaction was, oh, itna deduction. But then I was like no. I have to be
Yeah,
thankful.
but I always do that, not because I am reading this book, but for so many years that whenever people say, "अरे इतना deduction हो गया," अरे यार तुमको मिल रहा है इसीलिए तो deduction हो रहा है. If you don't get it, where is the
Yes.
question of deducting? Why would the government ask for money if you are not earning that much?
True.
It's that you are paying so much tax.
That is the reason. Then I was like, at least I'm getting this salary slip. A lot of people
Exactly.
have lost their jobs.
Exactly.
Yes.
Anyways.
So when the appraisal happens and we see our appraisal letter, we are happy, our performance and the rise. But when we peep this side and this side,
Oh, I had that experience. Even this year, when every one of my employees knew what was the situation outside and what was happening, but still, when the appraisal happened and I had to make the distinction between performance and non-performance, there were some complaints. Like the peeping did happen.
so initial first moment they are happy,
Yeah.
and as soon as they come,
But he got or she got more. So what is the reason?
So we,
this practice teaches us to celebrate that
Yeah.
goodness or positivity of others. So let's rub that positivity across the group.
So I think all HR should, pass on the magic book to all the employees to be grateful first.
Yeah.
That is very important, and I think productivity will also increase when you feel grateful, because we are always in the rat race. Usko zyada kyun mila hai? I perform better because according to me, I'm the best, and everybody is.
According to everyone, they are the best. They never fail. They never.
And the situation is wrong.
Yeah, no, the management. My boss is wrong.
Anyways, I'm grateful. My boss is very nice and not in touch.
I won't name the person here, but somebody said, why should I even call him a boss? I said, you're reporting to him. So he is your boss.
It happened with me also, because
If he is supervising me, I should also be able to supervise him myself. It doesn't work like that.
yeah, I know it happened with me, because I'm very young and I got people who were experienced under me. So their instant reaction was, "ये क्या सिखाएगा?" But slowly we developed a bond, and
Oh,
started performing like a team.
me, Surekha, both of us have gone
Yes,
through this
yes, very
5
much.
years. And
Huh.
that time, ladies were not even considered as
Yes,
bosses.
Awesome.
yes.
That was
All
the
male dominated.
male dom-
This,
the company where I was working. There was a strict, till it was a private sector company. There was a strict code that ladies have to resign once they get married. Married
in
ladies cannot.
in our bank, so till 1972, there was no recruitment of ladies.
No recruitment of ladies,
I was
1970.
the
Yes.
first lady officer. I was the first lady officer recruited in 1977,
Wow.
78,
Wow.
78.
Yes.
So till that time, New India was not employing any lady officers. No lady officers. That was.
We have seen life. Great to hear such experiences, and collectively we are trying to change our mindset with the magic book.
Yeah. We enjoyed and we suffered both. Things happened.
Very nice
Yeah.
experience. Okay,
Good.
so
So what are we doing today?
so we'll just do one thing. We'll just close our eyes for 2 minutes and try to find one magic cue which has happened, today. As in, just try to recall one moment where something happened and you behaved in a certain manner. But now, when you're meditating, you can realize that, okay, that was a magic cue for something. So we'll just take 2 minutes. Just close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Whenever you're done, slowly rub your hands. Feel the warmth in your hands. Just be grateful for the day.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have 3 more chapters
Thank
and
you.
one
More
final
days.
day. So 4 more days to go.
4 more days.
Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully 9:30. Chalo. Okay.
Sure.
Take care.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Bye. Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.
Night.